Contrary to popular belief, peanuts are a legume, a bean, rather than a actual pea. They grow underground. They require full sun and take about 120 days to mature. They require also good drainage. And anybody can really grow them as long as your soil is very good. It has to be loamy. It has to have good nutrients. Cannot be heavy or clay or anything like that. So I'm going to show you momentarily how my soil looks, and I'll show you what I did to prepare it. All of my containers are currently filled with other vegetables. So growing in a container, whiskey barrel rather, is going to be very convenient for me. And it's something that I'm used to. It's not that difficult to do. And I'm going to show you momentarily what I do. And this is a variety of peanut called Bailey 2 that I got from Haas Tools. And the directions say that I can plant 3 seeds in each hole. So I'm going to do 4 holes in this whiskey barrel that you see behind me. Bring you closer so you can see. This whiskey barrel is the same type that I used to put the corn in. The soil was made out of cocoa coir, um, horse manure, perlite, some bone meal, some blood meal, and some Dr. Earth's general purpose tomato fertilizer. And mixed it all together and put it in this container. Um, I'll post a video on how I made the made the soil for those that haven't seen me make it before. So what I'm going to do, I've also connected the drip system. So at each emitter, remember each emitter is 6 inches from the next. I'm going to go down approximately 2 inches and with my index finger, so we have the holes there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 holes. So I'll be dropping peanuts in those. Then I'm going to cover up the hole. And just like that, we have planted peanuts. Now, this will be my second time, I believe second time growing peanuts. I did it once down south. We had very bad success. I did get a couple peanuts, but not what I was expecting. Hopefully, it'll be better this time around, and we'll keep our fingers crossed. So, if you like peanuts, what are some of your favorite ways to eat them? Personally, I like mine boiled. Boiled Cajun style, and I also like them roasted. I've used them in cooking, and I've used them to make cookies, peanut butter. It's a very versatile snack, and just as long as you don't have any peanut allergies or anything like that. So, in the comment section, tell me how you like to eat them if you do like them. I'm hoping to have a nice harvest of them in about 3.5 months. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we'll have some. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you for watching. Take a moment to consider subscribing. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're a returning visitor and subscriber, I thank you tremendously. You guys have made this channel go far beyond my expectations, and I am forever grateful. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.